Hi all, welcome to the session. Today we are discussing about Google Ads, or we can call it as PPC. PPC means pay per click. Before going to the session, let me ask you something. Have you ever searched something on the Google? If you have searched and click on top of the ad, then you have participated in Google's ecosystem. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is a PPC? PPC stands for pay per click. But I'll give you a simple analogy that will make you crystal clear about PPC. Let's take an example. You are running a pizza restaurant and you want to run a traditional marketing. For running newspaper ad, you have to pay 50,000 rupees. Whether your advertisement has been seen by one person or millions of people, but you have to pay this 50,000 rupees. And also, whether you will get a 0 crore or a hundreds of crore, but at that time also you have to pay this exactly 50,000 rupees, right? But PPC is completely different. When you're running an advertisement, PPC is like a magical billboard where your advertisement will show to exactly the proper people where those people really want to make a purchase or the people are interested. Here, PPC will only charge to the people those who are interested or the people who exactly come into your advertisement and seen or took any kind of action. If the people have just drive by and ignore it, here you don't want to pay a single penny. So this is what exactly PPC means. That's why it is called pay per click. Let me give you 3 key reasons why PPC is better when comparing to normal advertisements. The first one is immediate. That means your PPC or your advertisement will show your customers within a 24 hours. If you are running advertisement today, that means within a few minutes or few hours itself, your campaign will be live. But when we are comparing with SEO, that means search engine optimization, it will take so much time. Search engine optimization, in the backend we have to add the keywords, we have to build the backlinks, all the things we have to do. So this is a slow process. But when we're comparing PPC, it is an immediate action. The second one is targetable. Targetable means you can target the proper kinds of audience. If you having a pizza restaurant, okay, from here you want to target the people those who likes pizza only. So in the advertisement, you can add pizza interesting or the people who actually search for pizza delivery near me or pizza delivery under 5 kilometers and all. So in this category, the audience will see your advertisement and they will purchase from your application or from the website itself. But when we are comparing with traditional marketing, if you are publishing a newspaper ad or a billboard and all, you don't know how many people are interested. The people doesn't like the pizza also, they will see this billboard or the advertisement. So here, when it comes to PPC, you can target the exact people. So from there, you can get a more conversion. The third one is measurable. That means when you're running a PPC campaign, here you will understand how many people have purchased your pizza, how many people have clicked on the advertisement, how much you spend for each person who clicked on your advertisement and all. But when we are comparing with a billboard or a newspaper ad, you doesn't know how many people have seen your ad or how many people after seeing your advertisement, how many people have searched your advertisement and all. It is very difficult. So here when it comes to PPC, here you can identify you have spent 100 rupees. From that 100, you got 2 people who purchase your product. So when it comes to PPC, here you can measure the actual kind of customers. Let's discuss about the PPC ecosystem or the Google Ads ecosystem. When it comes to PPC, there are 5 players. Let's discuss detailed. The first one is the advertiser. The advertiser means that is you. You are the business owner or marketer who wants to promote products or service. Your job is to create a compelling ads, choose the right keywords, set appropriate budgets, and monitor the performance. You are essentially the director of your advertising campaign. Then comes the publisher. This is the platform that displays your ad. Google is the biggest publisher of the search ad, but There are others like Microsoft Bing, Amazon for product searches, Facebook for social media, and YouTube for videos. The publisher makes money by taking a percent of what you pay. The third one is the user. This is your potential customer, the person who sees your ad and hopefully clicks on it. Understanding user behavior is a crucial. Users are typically in one of four stages, that is the awareness, that is just learning about your problem. Then comes the consideration, that is comparing the solutions. Retention means they are the existing customers. The fourth one is keywords. These are the words or phrases that connect your ads to user searches. Keywords are like bridges between the people are searching for what and what you are advertising. For example, if someone searches best running shoes and you will sell athletic footwears, keywords like running shoes, athletic shoes, or sports footwear would connect your ad to that search. The last one is bid. This is the maximum amount you are willing to pay when someone clicks on your ad. I'm telling you, that is the maximum amount. You often pay less than your maximum bid. Think of it like an auction where you set the highest price you're willing to pay, but you only pay enough to beat the next highest bidder. Let's take an example. You are the advertiser and you are selling a handmade jewelry. Here you choose a platform as Google to show your ads, that is the publisher. Then comes keyword. That means the targeted keyword, where if someone is searching for a keyword that means best handmade jewelry, your ad has to be pop up. For that you have to add the keyword. Next comes bidding. Bidding means the exact amount you are ready to pay for each click. That means you are telling to Google that I am ready to pay 20 rupees for per click. If someone is clicking on the advertisement, you are ready to pay a maximum amount of 20 for per click. That is the maximum amount, okay? So once everything is set, where your campaigns or where your advertisement will be shown in the searches. If a customer is searching for best handmade jewelry in the Google, your advertisement will shown in the first position. So you have to pay an around 10 rupees to 15 rupees in between. So once your advertisement has been seen by the customer, if they are clicking, they will redirect into the purchase page or the product page. If the customer sees it is interesting and they are ready to make a purchase, hopefully you get a conversion.